Hello, my name is Mark with Weed Pro, and today I'd like to explain to you the process that we use for weed control at Weed Pro. First of all, I'd just like to say that our weed control is safe. We do ask that our customers stay off of it until it's dry. We recommend 2 to 3 hours, and then it's safe for your pets and it's safe for your whole family. Another point I'd like to mention is that at Weed Pro, all of our pesticide applicators have gone through training with the province of Saskatchewan. We have been gone through our tests, our courses, and we are certified. By the very nature, weeds come into your lawn and come into your yard, and they're not desired. It is a maintenance thing, ongoing maintenance, to have weed control done to keep the weeds out of your yard. You're going to see that every 4 to 6 weeks, new weeds are going to germinate and take root and start to grow in your yard. So a one-time application in the spring or halfway through the summer is not going to maintain a weed-free lawn. It is an ongoing maintenance service. Another thing about weed control is some weeds are a little bit more resistant to weed control than others. These weeds are like Creeping Bellflower, Canadian Thistle, Wild Violet. These weeds often take multiple applications to get under control. We do ask that our customers phone us and let us know, hey, that application there that you did a couple weeks ago, it worked on the dandelions, but we still have some hardy weeds here. Can you come back and do a reapplication? And we welcome this feedback. We want it, and we need it. We want you as a customer to be satisfied. We want you to for us to meet your expectations as a lawn care company. But if we don't know that our weed control is ineffective between our regular visits, we do need our customers to phone us and to let us know that another application is needed to get control of those harder weeds. Another thing about doing weed control here in Regina is it's windy. There are many, many windy days throughout the summer, and if we only did weed control when it was calm, under 15-kilometer-an-hour winds, we wouldn't be spraying very often, and we wouldn't get to all of our customers in a timely manner. Therefore, we've calibrated our equipment so that it's spraying larger droplet size of weed control. And when we come up to your landscaping that is a little bit more sensitive, like your flowers and your garden, these droplets do not get blown into that landscaping as we get closer. So you've just received weed control. What should you expect? Sometimes within 2 or 3 days, you're going to start seeing certain weeds limp, starting to curl. Other times, if the weather is a little bit cooler, a little bit more moist, sometimes it takes up to 2 weeks for weeds to start to curl and look a little limp. So we do ask that you give the weed control 2 weeks to do its thing before you give us a call. Your grass as well is susceptible to weed control if it's applied more frequent or in a shorter time span than 2 weeks. So give it the 2 weeks for that weed control to work. You should start seeing the tips of the leaves starting to yellow and die out as well. If it's dandelions, those weeds are dead if you start to see that. If it is like your wild violet or your creeping bellflower, and you start to see them starting to yellow, give us a call. We'll come out after those 2 weeks and we'll reapply and we'll get a good control on those difficult weeds. Because of the nature of weeds, that it's an ongoing maintenance service, if a customer signs up for a one-time application, there is no guarantee that it will keep the weeds out of your yard. Customers who do sign up for packages, on the other hand, we will come out and we will do reapplications. We will make sure that your weeds are kept under control. All our packages have 3 applications of weed control throughout the season, but if more are required, we're committed to getting your weeds under control. If you do want your weed control done by Weed Pro, please visit our website. It's weedproregina.com, and we'd be happy to have you as a customer.